We are from Kohima Law College, Kohima, and then my name is Pangom W. Kaman, and then her name is Monkala I. Jamir. The issue on Naga political issue, my best opinion is that if the NACN-IM and the NNPGs bring out the solution in public domain, that would be better. Because the Naga people don't know what actually the solution is, and then we are deprived of that. That is our right. We Naga people, we have the right to know what the solution is content. So we want that solution to be brought to public domain, and then we want to know what all the clauses are content in that. So that is it. And then on integration, if integration is not possible in Naga solution, then we don't want outsiders to shape our future. We want ourselves, we want our people to shape our future. We want our people to decide on our future. That is it. Thank you so much. And in regard to today's seminar, the Nagaland Law Students Federation has brought out the right topic, that is issues confronting the state of Nagaland. Today's seminar was a very fruitful seminar, and then our youths have got to learn a lot, the issues, challenges that we are facing, and then we have sort out some plans as well, some ways as well to cope up with those challenges and problems. So we are so thankful for giving us this opportunity to learn something from this seminar. Thank you so much.
First of all, thank you Timabor today for having us today, My name is Lelam Thong PM Jonger, the president, the Kohima Law College, Kohima. Firstly, I would like to thank the Nagaland Law Student Federation for organizing such kinds of seminar, which is a very important, and then the need of the situation that all Nagas need to discuss and need to formulate, and then we need to put our action. Firstly, what I have learned from various speakers, and then what I feel like to impute, is that regarding the 33% women reservation, all Nagas has blindly agitated or blindly involved in so many issues in some couples of years ago. But what I feel like to say is that, dear women, try to raise your rights, voice your rights, try to exercise your freedoms of expression, which the Constitution of India already provides under Articles 14, under Article 15, under Article 15 Clause 3, under Article 16, under Article 39 Clause A, under Articles 39 Clause B, again Article 39 Clause C, and then Articles 42. All these things, all these articles, provisions provided for your women empowerment. Therefore, kindly make use of it and then utilize it, voice your rights. Why I'm saying is that I'm not criticizing about the chauvinism. I'm not in favor of feminism, but in order to promote justice and equality. Thank you.
First thing first, my thanks goes to Nagaland Student Law Federation and for organizing such a beautiful program. Secondly, I would introduce myself. I'm Logan J. Tamin, Vice President of Student Union of Patkar Christian College. There were many things that I learned, but I would like to focus on the topic tribalism. In my opinion, tribalism starts from your own home. We all know that there are some stigma and some certain elements in our society which we use to generalize a tribe. Just for example, we say, without akuni, semas cannot live, and lotasar bastenga. Although these are funny things when you articulate it in a statement, but then these are the basic things which becomes a root of tribalism, although in a positive way, but it is. And I also came across many statements by my elders telling me not to date a Ao or Lotha girl. It's because their standards are too high. See, these things are a positive way of tribalism. But this positive way in calculating and imbibing in our own mind, in my opinion, I believe this leads to a negative thought of mind and creates a very bad impression among the upcoming generation, which has already been deep-rooted, and that's what I believe should be cleared out at the very first thing. So Lastly, I would like to quote, if you want to see a change in the world, first you need to change yourself. Thank you.
Well, my name is Maliti Sangtam, and I'm serving as the Organizing Secretary of the Nagaland Law Students Federation. Today, under the theme called Issuing Comfort in the State of Nagaland, we have learned many things from different resources. We have learned a lot about corruption. And when we talk about corruption, recently we could see I was not very happy when I saw the fund distribution under tribal affairs, district-wise. I saw that there was no equality made in the fund distribution made by the government of Nagaland. And after some few days again, I saw the project distribution between the district. There was no equal distribution of funds and projects. I think the citizen, right thinking citizens should raise a voice against this type of corruption. The Constitution of India, under Article 371, Clause 2, Subclause B, clearly mentioned that equal distribution of funds should be met. When I mention about Eastern, please don't take it as tribalism, but the Constitution has clearly mentioned, as said in the article, equal distribution of funds should be met within the Tungsang Hill areas and with the rest of the Nagas. But equal distribution was being not met. I think it's time for us to raise voice against those corruption. Thank you so much. God bless.
Thank you, Dimapur, today. As we have concluded our NLSF seminar, then confining to our seminar what actually the intellectuals, as a resource person, we have really called upon. I would like to enlighten. I would like to give my opinion with regard to what our KK Samba IS retired spoke about the on account of peace process. So our resource person, what is enlightened us on the topic of what peace process should be based upon. We like, to my addition to that, I would like to give my opinion that it is need enough an hour that we should come together. We should unite together and then strive towards what's the goal we have to achieve. I think that'll be better.
Hello, Dimapur today. Thank you for having us. I am Nlim Chimong, General Secretary, Nagaland Law Students Federation. Today, we have ended our two-day session organized by Nagaland Law Students Federation. The topic under issues confronting the state of Nagaland under various another topics that have taken up by resource persons. Now, when we want to speak about the topics that have spoken by resource persons, we would like to say that these topics are very important, and especially it is to impart to the young educated college students that we have invited from various colleges. So from that, we want to say that this is a very important topic, and then we hope and believe that this seminar would really affect especially the young educated youths that are studying in different university and college. So we really thank you for all the delegates that have attended our seminar. Thank you so much.
I am Tohuka Trumi, the President, Nagaland Law Students Federation, and it is with much pride and happiness I wish to inform to all the people, all the citizens of Nagaland, that the Office of NLSF has successfully completed the two-day seminar, and I hope and believe that through the two-day seminar, different speakers from all walks of life have come and educate us, as well as the student invitees we have invited. And I believe everyone has been educated and benefited a lot, and I am sure and we are hopeful that this seminar will bear the result of a just and vibrant society in days to come. Thank you very much.